how to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone without a backup. This tutorial shows you how to move your chats directly using the Transfer Chats option on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. After that, tap on Settings and then tap on Chats. From there, tap on Transfer Chats instead of Chat Backup. At this point, tap the green Start button to begin the transfer process. In the next step, tap Allow when prompted to find nearby devices. Following this, your Android will now display a QR code on the screen. Keep this screen open. Once done, on your iPhone during the WhatsApp setup process, instead of tapping Restore from Backup, tap on Transfer Chats from Android to get a QR code scanner. From here, use your iPhone to scan the QR code shown on your Android device. Finally, once the QR code is scanned, the transfer will begin automatically. Keep both devices close together and connected until the process is fully complete. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you transfer your chats from Android to iPhone, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.